Hi guys, I'm Corbin.
And I'm Samaiya.
And we are Talk of the Hour. Hi guys, today we're here at New Manchester High School at 6
a.m.
6:45, 50 a.m. Yes, waiting for the bus to go to the GSPA awards banquet.
Yeah. Hi guys, we are currently leaving the school to go to UGA. Yes, and we're so excited. See you guys later. Bye. We're now at UGA. Okay, hi guys. So we're back from our classroom from round 3, and we right now are in the lunchroom, but we're recording this because we forgot to do it earlier.
Yeah.
So what I learned, it was about editing skills and like the leadership of being an editor, or just a person in general having the responsibility of being a leader and the aspects of being a leader. So that's what I learned, and it was. Okay, hi guys. So I'm back with the reviews. So the food was good. You see, I ate it. So the chicken tenders, I gave it. It was like amazing. It was like really good to me, at least. And then the green beans they need a little more seasoning, but they were really good still. Oh, and I give it a 7.5. And then the mac and cheese needs a lot of seasoning, so it's a little iffy, but it's not too bad. But I am lactose intolerant, so I did not eat it. But yes, that's all for today. So bye guys. Make sure to like
And subscribe. Peace out.